Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send money to your friends and family on PayPal. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up PayPal app. Then first make sure that you have linked your bank card to PayPal. If not, then click on wallet right here and link the card by hitting that plus sign next to banks and cards. After that, you will be able to send money to your friends and family. Just hit right here at that home icon and then hit on send. Then you need to enter name or username or email address or phone number of a recipient of the payment. I'm just gonna enter email. Then hit right here where it says send to and the recipient's email. And on that step you should just enter the amount of money you want to send. I'm just gonna enter $10 in that way. Also, you can add a message to your payment. In here you can type in some text and then hit on next. Then select payment time. If you are transferring your money to friends and family, just select friends and family and then just hit on next. Now it says that since this is your first time sending to that user, you should confirm their info, like first name, last name and country. After that, just hit add next and send money to that recipient. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my PayPal tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.